wang ka ba mai mutu malin gazne tingwang kendi mirale Prabhu tingwang penabu Yesus Krista tingwang di masanbu yupina tingwang zanggana i Reverend Wuchampo Nsang Executive Secretary na tusum haze liya khaye liangmai Christian Centenary Celebration LBA Nagaland Christ the Lord of Ages 1925 to 2025 100 years. This sacred obelisk is erected to commemorate a centenarial anniversary of Christianity in Liangmai soil, first rooted at Tening village in 1925, dedicated by Reverend Wichampao Chang, Executive Secretary, LBA Nagaland, 13th of November 2025.
want you, Lord.